Let's talk about a common cough medicine known as benadryl. The active ingredient in benadryl is diphenhydramine, which is an antihistamine. Diphenhydramine is a first-generation antihistamine, and it often causes drowsiness as a side effect. Benadryl is typically used for coughs that come with phlegm. It works in two ways in our body. First, it suppresses the cough reflex by acting on the cough center in the brain. This reduces the urge to cough, which is a relief. Second, it blocks the release of acetylcholine, which causes a runny nose. When the respiratory tract dries up, phlegm production decreases. This means less coughing overall. Stay informed and take care of your health.